Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the trading table. This is Andrew, and joined with me is Landon. And today we're going to be going over some of the biggest movers, some plays to watch, and more for the market. Looking at the S&P 500 heat map here, the market currently isn't closed yet, right? But it's just chopping around right now. Nothing really to see. Nvidia, great move today. AMD, great move, right? Everything else mostly red. Looking at SPY here, we've been kind of on a weak downtrend for most of the day here. Not a major downtrend, but something that's kind of concerning, right? And if you're in our Discord today, just looking at AMD right here, I'll throw it up on the screen right now. But the bot called out some AMD puts right at open, and that was a banger play. It's a new feature we have, our bot fully release day, so be sure to join our free Discord for more plays like this. And then plus points if you play the reversal, because the reversal was very, very nice, and it is still, kind of trying to rise up here a little bit. But yeah, great play with the bot today and AMD. Looking at Palantir here, we do have big money plays in this, right? And Palantir had a major drop today here at open. It did recover from that shortly after, and is now relaxing around the 21 level. But yeah, Palantir is just something I've been holding. I'm gonna hold it, right? A lot of money going into puts, and definitely something to watch in the future here, because a lot of investors are bearish on Palantir. We have so many premiums coming in for puts here on Palantir, you would not believe it. Jump into Landon now for some big money plays.
Thank you, Andrew. So for today, we have two big money plays. They were called out in the Discord. First one, we have GDX with a total premium count of 1.14 million at the strike of 36. It's a put option contract with an expiration of 6/21/2024. There's a total volume as well at a total volume of 10.73K. I'm really liking this one. Had a really good move for us in the Discord today. And congratulations to everyone that was able to take profit from this. Moving to our next one, we have ticker symbol KWEB, KWEB. This is a call option contract with a strike of 34. There's a total premium count of 653K and a total volume of 5.24K with an expiration of 10/18/2024. I'm really liking both of these. And back to you, Andrew.
Yeah, thank you, Landon. And just to expand a little bit on what Landon said here, KWEB is basically a Chinese ETF. It's basically the SPY for China stocks like Baba, Billy, and more. There's so many Chinese stocks under this, and Chinese stocks have been doing great recently, like amazing. If we take a look at Baba here real quick, right? Baba did, had a rough couple of days, right? It's been on a bit of a downtrend, but just like when earnings reported, if you guys remember, if you guys have been here for a while, I did say, picking up shares right here, great idea. And look at that, boom, it hit 90, right? It did downtrend after that, but this is another one of those areas where I'm pretty confident it will rise back up again. So Baba here is a main mover for KWEB, and I'll throw up the open interest on the screen right now. And basically what the open interest is how many people are interested in, this stock or this option chain, right? So if you look at the open interest, the difference between, calls and puts for KWEB is pretty crazy amount, right? Like it's over double for calls. Puts is around 600,000, I believe, and calls is 1.3 million. So there's a lot of bullishness and bullish investors here for KWEB. So I'm really liking this play. And just, again, expanding on what Landon said here, GDX, right? This investor, right, that's in GDX is basically banking on the dollar strengthening, right? So the dollar and gold move opposite to each other. So as the dollar gets stronger, gold will get weaker, right? And if we take a look at the dollar right here, the dollar has been on a pretty steep downtrend, right? But, it could recover here. So we could see a little short-term recovery. That's what I'm thinking here. Not 100% sure about that, but we will watch GDX here. The bot called it out at a great spot. We had great entry. I think it was right around like up here in this area. So anything from here should just be profit for us. We actually just had another big money play come in. Starbucks. We got it for July 19th, 2024 at a strike of 80. How many premiums were there, Landon?
There was a total premium count of 775K.
Okay, yeah. So there you go. Another great play while we're filming this. Taking a look at earnings, right? Like I said, not a lot going on this week. Honestly, the most notable thing is core PCE month on month and core PCE year on year. Other than that, not a lot going on. Costco maybe, Dell maybe, HP. Maybe you can have good entry to pick up some shares, but CGC, I'm watching CGC, right? I really like CGC right now, so I'm going to be watching CGC for maybe a good point to play some momentum or pick up some shares or maybe even calls. So we'll just see with CGC. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the trading table. This has been Andrew and Landon. Be sure to join our free Discord. The link is in the description, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.